Ted here from Gallup. Let's talk about tire brushes and our proprietary wear strips.
Hi everyone, Michael here at Gallup Brush. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the way your tire brushes will arrive at your wash from Gallup Brush. All of these come fully assembled for an easy installation. We offer a tire brush, a tire shine, and a stepped wheel brush, two of which we've got sitting right here next to us. You can see our tire shine and then our stepped wheel brush. All three of these come with our proprietary wear strip, which is going to alert you to when you need to reorder your brush. As you can see here on the tire shine, we've got a very dense brush there, which is going to allow you to have a better application of your chemical on the tires. And then the stepped wheel brush here with the longer pieces getting your rims. And then the shorter parts able to clean the tires. And we also offer a tire brush rebuild kit, which is going to include your couplers, key stock, bearings, and spindles.
Subscribe to our channel, and when you think car wash brushes, give Gallup a spin.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.